Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Why don't you lean on? If you need a friend, I'll be your friend. Come on and lean on me. Please won't you swallow your pride? If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can feel those of your needs that you won't let go. Why don't you just lean on anytime? Come on and lean on. If you need a friend, and if you got a problem,
Yeah, boom people. Don't go down, man. I mean, see man. You see me I say. It's all that. So what you know? Sorry for approaching you like this. But sitting there heavy for my meds. I may have to advise you, see it. Let's go and look at background for the whole red light, different scene thing. One me there home, two at night, three me outside. Me outside because we don't smoke inside. Before nobody say nothing. When we up a smoky, we smoke inside. If you don't notice, Smoky cripple. And him name Smoky. You see? So we got smoke. Second, the red light is because I don't know white light bright, you see me? The outside, so when I look so, I look on road, and when I look so, I look on road. So my thing is, when I look so look away, I can see exactly what the road, you see me? The red kind of damp me and, clear up some of my vision. So there, I don't know too much people are dead on TikTok. So you know what it is. What puzzle my brain though? I realize that the youths these days don't know if it talk to their elders, talk to them peers, talk to them woman. Matter of fact, at the part they really about me. Them youth nowadays don't know if to talk to them woman. They don't know how to talk to a woman. You see what I say? They don't know how to quote one woman. Like me have a question. Me mother like to know. Like people still have sex to music. Come on, say youths not have sex these days. I mean, it depends if I that, if whatever them a call that. You know what I mean? What am I do? But you see me?
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.
As a youth, I grew up in Jamaica still. I'm born 97. So you see me? 80s, 90s, 2000s to 2010s basically. Even starting from the 60s, 70s. Because me have an old spirit. You see me? My father old, my mother old, my father older. You see me I say? So my father did overseas, my mother did the down here. Both traverse back and forth, you see me I say? So it's a different mix of music. And I tell about from cassette days, you see me I say? To when CD finally come out and we get like a Radio the way CD player they right on the bass and it come out and you can put 2 or 3 CD in there one time. This is what me I say. Stereo, me I tell you about. So we have forward from music for a long time. Seeing now my experience in the music different. As I say, I have my mother down here where she a listener, Whitney them and her Celine and them same way, see me?
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one.
Them type of people, you know, Sunday music. But I have my daddy when I listen, Manhattans and Otis Redding and them people.
Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby, wanna be right here where you are until my dying day. Yeah, baby.
And you know, once you have one woman or once you have a relationship, for them music slowly start become fear music. So somewhere along the line, any household me there, me dey have that type of music there. Now enter my neighbor, R.I.P. Jatty, me I tell you, them man there sit down on the veranda, him and 2 or 3 and friend them. Every day I play Terry Lennon, when my boy they will sing, and I will do it, I will give it. Ken Booth.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm.
Is when me I say, singing melody and them people, them and ghosts and them people, them and them make we lucky into them people. Now bear in mind, you know, this is all before me know what is dancehall. You see what me I say? So with music different from a longer time. Now we grew up with cable, so we have business and then musicals. Nick same way with them musical. Anything with a musical.
We're all stars and we see that we're all in this together.
We have it. You see me soundtrack for series, Vampire Diaries, Originals, any one of them something like that. We have it. You see me I say, we grow that way there. Zine. So for me grew up and I understand music profoundly and you see me grow a sense of intelligence and lessons from a different great musician them and the different genres. Like for example, Vybz Kartel and Vado in a Jamaica, you know, motivate youths in a Fimighetto area to go for cash is what me I say and a board for it, brethren.
Them no love this with the garrison, them rising. I get a youth with a granny school frightening, so them keep fighting.
People used to say better me sell in a market. Iron balloons, so them used to talk it. Bad minds in my life won't take it. Some say my father would never make it.
Know me have to laugh, God know me deserve it. Warlord tell me that I could see it's the bad times that makes the good time feel so good. Those were the happiest days of my life. If it ain't rough, it ain't right.
Somewhat them mention violence, but not so much of violence. It's more defend yourself and talking about government discrepancies.
I mean, I look no credit over the years. Me a youth a dead it. Nuff get tapper, nuff get let it. Corrupt top kill ya, you don't get for fled it. Wait, who talk for the poor? Stand up on your foot and go walk for the poor. Ya know the poor feel insecure. At any given time, them kick off them door. You want my mother fi clean floor. You know what? Youth fly out on tour. You want my daughter turn whore and my son turn gunman. Me no want that no more. I saw you move, yeah. You collect the tax money. And you gone from cruise. And you plan to ban the beat, so you now ban the blues. Yeah. When I see you confused,
Yeah, so what I say, so it's still powerful. You get what I say? Same thing for like song like Tupac them name changes same way. You see what I say? and my favorite Tupac and My Black. You see what me I say? Them they paint similar ghetto gospels. You see what me I say? Where it kind of feels sympathy and other emotions and understanding for other people life. You see what me I say? Like the J. Cole song we say, Love Yours. That one next example. That's why J. Cole and my artist in them days. You see what me I say? But them there, I get to gospels. Me learn all love and heartbreak and how to quote one woman from man like CM, Otis Redding, Percy Sledge, Chicago. Is you know our love was meant to be.
Kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time.
Yeah man, boy, Brian Adams, please forgive me. You know what I say? Oh gosh man, I never want to touch the boys to men part.
Pause.
Brian McKnight, R. Kelly, same way, Usher and Nelly. You see me I say? Well, basically souls and hip hop from the 90s, from the 80s to 2010s. Grew me. Because as I say, I'm born 97. You see me I say? Reggae influenced me to be more mindful and spiritual and calm. You see what me I say? Most like reggae music, them what me listen. You know what I mean? Like same my boy the name man as I rise early this morning.
I see love in front of me. Yo again, it no take nothing at all. Fear the king, him bless me in a what me doing. It no take nothing at all. Fear the king, Selassie I the king of all kings.
I see Jaja in front of me. Oh well, and it not take nothing at all. Really. Pantamoja. Zim. Alright. So what you know now? Berries them. Yo, Virgin, very song them are full of a straight adultery, Virgin, and cheating and everything there.
Not with that big broad smile and the sexy dress you wear. It's totally impossible for a man with eyes not to stare. There is no reason to be so uptight when you got everything alright. By now you should know you're every man's fantasy. What can you do to stop a man from trying?
Me learned that from him as well as, you know, some other genre. 'Cause you know what I mean? I'm a flirt.
I'm a flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'm a flirt. Winking eyes at me when I roll up on them dubs, I'm a flirt. Sometimes when I'm with my chick on the low, I'm a flirt.
Anyway, but yeah. Me I basically try present the episode there to find out why Jamaican youths know how to start to deal with them woman and if I because of music. You see me I say? So make we get into it.
Active man.
Yeah man. So what you know as I said the problem them what I feel like with today youth are they music where they exposed to that because they're mostly exposed to like gun lyrics and scamming lyrics and badness lyrics. You see me? Where all that I do a shape like aggression and distrust. You see me dog? Cause
And then it me and I music shape is social media.
yeah, that you need to ask yourself, you know, people. If I music a shape and a influence use them decision, where to the music I teach you them so them for do. You see what me I say? And wait I go teach you them tomorrow for do. And that's a question. And it's a one bag of pride, bro. It's like it don't make no sense. It a freak up a mentality. Cause you have people where tell us say yo, a white swag, Psycho Bunny and a Air Force. So if me not no Air Force, what me fi do? If I wanna see a rabbit, me have what me fi do now here.
Man, well, you both them are going a problem.
Red.
Someone have a year.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Me I tell you, shoot. You see him in a bad, enough man a bad, enough a bad. Check you out. I
Like
think they want to people and peer pressure, brother.
peer pressure,
Enough
bro.
man too, they can't think for themselves, bro.
Peer pressure, bro. Peer pressure through set music. Say the artist them we can't tell you, know. So we are good youth and we are entertainer. But you? No sir. I like the twins the way dog say.
Gangsta for life. How we are the vomit? I'm a that fly, yeah, you know. You think you're used to that something yet?
No, say, not really that still. Those two may have all just to work.
Vado, how we are do cry? Remember you send me for you know. Send me for you know. You know, since I touch the road with the clip them load. I mean I said Jad was star. A problem. This is what I said charge. So yeah man. He just all he do dog a farm aggression in youth yeah. That's why you can't really hold no conversation with them youth yeah.
You can't tell them nothing, bro.
Then chippy already ready for crash out as they call it. You see what me I say? And then you see through at the bagger scamming this, scamming that, especially with the law boss side of the world now where all him sing about hey, I never think I would have find a nigga who sing about fake friend more than we make an artist I acting.
You know me tell you, how them run a queue and the put the whole boy name walk and talk. Hear him now? You see the boy the acting. If him the fuck but the God come.
What is?
No, hold on now. So me go say pussy what I tell about the man. And him go say, oh, acting must insecure cause be a batty song him sing every song him sing. And if I love song him a say him no fuck batty in the song.
Yeah.
The man go as far and say, lose a friend. The man a say a lose a friend a big batty song. Cause the man a say why you never lose a woman friend is a man dead you think too.
But la boss man. I want to that the youth there. I turn to switchy. Yo.
No.
You switchy. That's much man I switch back for him dog. Yo, bro.
Yeah. Don't copy nobody, no dog have your own audience, no, bro. That's why that thing tough.
Come on, man. Dog, and as Mother say, is the youth where, to me right now, are the best lyricists Jamaica had in a while. And what you know, if Cartel never have so much greatness beside him, cause if Cartel lyrics them tough in a charge, don't get me wrong as rascal, you know. But La Bass come in and can do some, I can say something where I've never been heard yet in my life before. I've never heard them in my life before. First of all, it's a fat man.
Even Cartel give man credit. Remember which song it is? And Cartel I say back the lyrics and like Cartel I say Bumbo Clot online man say out a dark song a long time now with you.
Yo, La Bass said he must sleep on ground long before carpet. The man said it's a big stone, I couldn't my heart this. The man said a kitten, I couldn't my dog this. I'm done with the earth here, man. I go back a Saturday.
Yeah, man, I think I remember the video them. I find him and put it in this. But Cartel mad himself in the dark. I tell you some remember one I can't even remember it. What do you say to room pum, you know? What do you say to room pum? Extra nice. Yeah.
Was sweet and nice. It's like Sunday to chicken and peas and rice. When me hear some punk wanna be DJ and me get cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ. Them just make up all sort of nice. But the music what me do is authorized. To get the girls in a trance, yeah, hypnotize and gyrate them waist, hip surprise.
So, lyricist that you know. I think lyricist.
I probably lyricist part 2 then. You see me?
Lyricist.
Yeah, man. But
think about part of my talk about thing when we do authorize or unauthorized.
Yeah. So what? A freestyle, man. A freestyle. Me dey think a lyricist part 3, but me forward for no say a freestyle it didn't hear me. Zin, but we just call it lyricist part 3. I got a freestyle. Zin, and lyrics for kill, man. But we call it lyrics part 3. So people, I don't think I have to say nothing more about that day. You see what me I say? As for the love side of the world. Only thing they have right now, dog, a hypersexualized music charge. Like music, as me tell you say, me don't know what them a youth say them a do. I don't know if them a have sex or if them a fuck what them a do. Them a make love what them a do. I don't know what it is, charge. Zine, bro, this generation music is all about broke out and link up, dog. Is what me I say, no lessons in a genuine quoting or love or family. You see what me I say, charge? It's so how you are gonna know if you raise a youth or if you treat a wife? How you gonna recognize a husband? You see what me I say? Dog.
The thing reach a pit, all boss, fast, the man, them a go say, you know, remember, you know, one day, you know, book girl today and you get service tomorrow, so easy, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to text and convince girl. The man, no time for that, the money take them one money, you buy money basically, you buy service.
Well,
And they buy service, get them 1 minute because we then call it, because they not go no longer than that, because they not eat no good food, they not buy no roots, no.
see it? Hold on.
And they say,
As I said that, me don't want to cut you, no remember your point. You're not born as much read as me. So your brain's supposed to be intact. Remember your point. You girl them no want no 1 minute man.
Show me what you got, 'cause I don't want no 1 minute man. Wake me up, show me what you got, 'cause I don't want no.
It's time to set your clock back about as long as you can. I stop daylight, it's ludicrous, the maintenance man. Get your oil changed, I check fluids and transmission. You 1 minute fools, you wonder why y'all miss it.
Bro, that song in a few time make we know say we have it up to the time. You see what me I say? Man, them no song like that no day at this time. So man just there say man wait alkaline say just want to forget a broke something another one broke on me cut some shit, bro.
say another time, bro.
Listen me now, bro. So you say music really a change. And Missy Elliott that me I tell you say supposed to say they don't want a 1 minute man. Back in the days, the good old days, you know, and music, you know.
Back in the days, a woman say you come quick is an embarrassment, like we say in front, you know.
Oh God, my bro, you know, boy, it was them is the same. It was them is the same. Rascal, Virgin, come quick, what's that? I can't fucking. Come quick, what's that, little body? Cause if they not complain about you can't fuck or you, that means your cocky good as there on right size, you just can't use it. If they not complain about little body, that means say you're putting that work with the tool where you have. You see what me I say? But come quick charge it. I like a J. Cole line, man, where dog say, yo, practice putting on my rubbers, you know it go right. You see me I say? But where dog fear him most and when I pray to God, he must say, yo, him praying shit is big enough to fuck with. But I pray to God the most, don't let a nigga come quick. You see me I say, charge it? They don't boy, they don't know what they listen to the charge. Zine, and I don't joke. Alright, watch out. Watch out. Yeah.
They man that you are wine that they girl belly. They man that grab up girl them all fast and quick.
The man them take on the wrong side of RDX them generation. When RDX them say when you get one daga. Oh, listen me man.
Oh, this every man them a do that 1,000 joke me boy.
1,000 jokes. Yo, listen me Virgin. We don't have to know. Virgin, we don't have to know of romance. Woman. Seeing this little wild energy on the dep and this turned energy all the while. I know it. Is what me I say. Yeah man. But what you know? I say them a bad bro, come on. Just to show a contrast right now. You see, all soul song them and the reggae song them may sit there also teach you patience strategy, humility. You see what me I say? Even inner love. You see what me I say? He used to teach you how to apologize, or to accept or to give forgiveness. You see me? Real life, bro. What they would have called liberty. Where old folks them would have called liberty. At that all souls and reggae music them teach you respect and all of them sit the dog. Them modern chop dance all there, brother. Mostly I teach you about quick money come up dog and status like what you say sex and war.
No more pride, no.
Nothing, bro. You see me, I say, alright, for example, which, actually, you say, you know, this is scamming song, but give me anyone where you can remember. Give me anyone where you can remember.
What about champions that I remember?
Give me one right off the top where you feel like the people they might know.
You have a cartel one. No, alright, so you wanna sing, say,
No.
scam of them there, that's the biggest scamming song, different from, we call it reoperation, whatever I cartel in sing a song there.
Reparation.
As long as them nah buy no gun, nah support no war. Big up the man, them star from near and far. Them call it scam, me call it a reparation. Every ghetto youth is a star,
Yo.
so them want live like one.
Big up every scammer. We make US dollar. Build up the house for your mama. Western Union people figure we more honor. Slash, full stop, comma.
Remember that?
No man, I tell the man them say a couple I cartel post and sing about scamming, but in there they load you up like idiot them, bro. Me not want put cartel night for show you to how. Remember the man said do the maths, bro, do the maths. Zine, the man said, I want say dog. I wait dad did I say? CTs, a CT scamming up. But like him, money for
Asian brain, be a champion, other part of
Ah, yeah, the part the man, but me just want the line there right before. You see, I could have swear more details in the daddy.
I think he might top of a curve or something like that.
Why? They not even catch the reference to charge it. Which if
Just put some credit on the curve and call.
if a Asian brain, bro, you see me I say, if a Asian brain charge your money we work on Zine, if a little later I be a champion, that's when the man them big going on, bro. You see me?
Yeah. I try to buy part before, you know.
Nah, I don't know, man.
We can't be buying.
But we have put in that video. So me, it's not alright. People don't see what they try. Me not say Gaza, him say Gaza, him say share myself. But dog, the whole thing is
Me buy it.
which damn, I could have swear man I say something like he have two phone. Hold on there, man, Bumba Clark. Me have two phone in now, me can search you up.
Fine, cause something about Pearl. I think that time, man, me get have a prepaid and me have a, you know, remember?
Me have a burner and a prepaid. But at that is a man, me have a burner and a prepaid.
In the street, man, hustle every day. Me have a burner, me have a prepaid. Do the max, Asian brain. Little later, be a champagne, tea that. Finch and Jane, a high grade, we a bring pamphlet. She say me cool, me say England rain. Inna me room, she a sing pamphlet. Do a CT scan, money from my brain.
But my point is this. Which scamming tune today, or not even say scamming, because I never want to look like me a beat is scamming them still, no. But which tune today you can compare to all one berries where say I feel good when I'm wrapped up in a
arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, I feel good. Cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin.
Which tune I give the vibes there? Which tune I give the vibes there? Will make you, if you hand them even fall like a this, you have to bust this. You see me I say? Which tune, Chargy? You see me I say? It's like which woman, which tune out here so I tell you how to treat woman like all Tupac, Brenda just had a baby.
I hear Brenda's got a baby, but Brenda's barely got a brain. A damn shame, the girl can hardly spell her name. That's not our problem, that's up to Brenda's family. Well, let me show you how it affects our whole community. Now, Brenda really never knew her moms, and her dad was a junkie putting death into his arms. It's sad, cause I bet Brenda doesn't even know. Just cause you're in the ghetto doesn't mean you can't grow.
Baby, I keep your head up. Which which tune down here so I teach them the sit. Like I remember, you know, Cartel we do society tune like that. Then when me I go tell my mother.
Tell her me love you forever. We are gonna make it through together.
Remember, son, I still go to high school, OG. When me I go tell my father.
Tell him fi put all the blame for me, but love will solve any problem.
When me I go do this a teenage pregnancy.
You see me I say? Teenage, bro. Which tune? What them youth here do? No versatility, no lessons in their music, no substance, just rhymes and catchy beats.
The female accept it. Alright, so what you do? The man ability female end up in a man.
Bro, then
Female they have to work with the female ability right now. So you don't bother go there, boy. You want try to save them. They cannot be saved.
Clutch that J. Cole said, don't save her. She don't want to be saved. That will make you know. Charge it. Listen, bro. It's a social effect, Chevy. A Jamaican youth, them in a this days, day and age of people. They don't know if a quote, man. They don't know if it's serenade. They get. Them a boy, you feel like, bro, you think a little girl me sing too? Eh? You think a little bit of girl me sing to charge in a film? Dog, as a matter of fact, love songs at one point, I don't remember what point, but it was for a good while, were the hottest songs in the world, ja. Hottest songs in the only song you hear is basically a love song from. You have to dig deep to find one gangster song or dig deep to find one.
Carrot Station I go on the radio right here.
So sick of love songs.
Yeah.
So
You go back in we call him Moti Perkins and name of the man there.
brother.
And some Gregory Isaac too.
Charge it. Listen, man. It just also we go to Gregory Isaac. People them, youth them can't chat to them peers without aggression, as me say, charge it. They don't know. So if you can't chat to your peers without aggression, how you gonna deal with the elders then? Eh? Or you gonna build healthy relationship. That's my whole thing. You see what I say? Instead that then just know if show off and broke out, as me say, charge it. You see me, and that not cut it.
You to say, you tell us it's a new thing, man, them you take talk. Bro, me tell me no say generation get fucked, bro. When me see man I say, yo, me dunks and pro. Not even before me a Jamal I first man be a dunk, but he neighbors, but like a man proud to be dunks and man at all, but you style up a teacher them, yo, they don't reach where yes. The reason why teacher used to tell them son and I go make it because I get too much problem in that teacher them class, son and I didn't work. The one they start laugh after teacher and the man can't post, but miss you see me no, me understand, they never find to prove in a book. We could never say I disrespect teacher. We prefer say, yo, they can't teach me for rich because I'm none of them rich. You see me, just teach me when to get on the syllabus. Because members are basically as well as a magic thing still.
Yes, that is good. Me feel like me have a solution still. Zinka, me see some me on the TikTok, I see some whole heap of artists. Me try already with the top 10 sitting, me have to go do a new top 10 thing. Maybe me have to go just do that as the episode and make it one whole top 20, you see me? And just, you see me, try call out some new conscious artist, dog, whether I be love music or whatever type of music charge, just a new wave of conscious artists where their music actually have one message. You see me, I say, innit, bro, can I see whole heap of youths right now on the TikTok where then just sit down and sing to TikTok, bro, and the man them sound good. I mean sound good as in they sound good because you know auto-tune and all these things. I mean sound good because the man them lyrics actually connect, bro. You see me, I say give them the youth they are trying now and flush out the system with them big. Well, first of all, the old man them for them time done. They not gonna give you no more nothing. Especially if it.
You never said about cartel him, brother, and I mix up.
If you go sit down now. You know, when we say old man them, we mean cartel up. Well, them man them go sit down now. Zin, they can't give you nothing now fi kinda relate to it in a modern time. You get what I say? So it's not like them cannot do it. We will go and listen to all tunes. You see me? Yeah, Buju still have Blows and Skirts tune. Them a pick me and listening still. Cause if they did listen it, they would have know say, yo, when mama spend her last for send you go class.
Never you ever play. It's a competitive world for low budget people. Spending the time while earning a nickel. With no regard to who it may tickle. My cup is full to the brim. I could go on and on. The fool has never been told.
Though you have a blood clot form a fall out of that with the brother. You hear me I say, bro? Yeah man, they don't know that they would not embrace fully dunks. You get me I say? I want to know who are going to be next Berries dog. I want to see next Sanchez. All one boys to men right now, dog. I talk about for both generate, both type of the both genre and music. I talk about for hip hop and rap and them people there. Cause the young youth them a do the same fuckery over on the rap side of the world. Hip hop youth them a do the same fuckery.
Still, you know, so that's why people have to check it out. So still pass them either, because they could have become the Monday. It could have become a little popcorn. So popcorn be reggae and dancer, see like a Buju did do.
Bro.
Still pass them.
Bro.
Try to sing. See, 50 Cent man singing about sometimes it's straight.
Silk Bass could have be something special. Jashi can be something special. You see what I say? Well, you have some youth to have some commanding voice to give real change, bro. Zane in the music. Them youth they need some songwriters and composers to work with them, because them not have it, you know. You see me? Them have the talent, but them not have it. Lyrics, the mental.
That aggression when them broke. I watch them want ask for help from big people, and then producer friend them just want to put up our money, have some equipment and tell them say, so now producer and your boss are we alright.
We are producer. We are producer. Alright then. Alright, watch you know. Me know say the culture would have changed still, no dog. If some of them song have to come back in a play, you know, bro. Yes, so I say in a either dancer or hip hop or reggae in a charge. The culture not old, then young youth would have moving now and whole different generation direction, dog. Because we generation mindful, dog. But we're set as we want to be. Our generation was a mindful set of motherfuckers. You see me? And we are the last generation of business about the elders before we. You hear me I say to you? Alright people, so what you know? Chevy Gun, you see me? I really and truly me did list out couple songs. Me and him go through a couple of them look while. I'm a reach about. It's about 20. I realize it. I pull off a room boom. That simply means if you don't need a record. So here I am. How do that song there? How do that song there again? Here I am. Yeah man. I think I'm not gonna next Silk. Who do that song there? Who do that song there again, good? I don't remember, yeah man. But one of them man they from the time there. So watch you now. I'm gonna run it out quick. Then, cause at 12:30 and I'm planning to sleep too. I grew up in Garrison, basically. So you get up, hustle and survive, man. That is what they get up. Everybody. Everything else where them are paying money, that are just system design. You see what I say? Violence, etc., 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 drugs, etc., etc., etc. System design. I system them pressure that pound way. But the ghetto originally built famous words of Cartel. Every ghetto youth is a star.
It's not just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star.
You hear me I say? So what you know? Hustle and survival mode. Street reality. From dancehall and hip hop. Them a song that kind of help shape me. I'm gonna start to the Vado car. Money can't change me. Me a money changer. You see me? But if you diss me, a danger. Work hard for the paper, you know. Cause I want a house, I want a skyscraper.
Don't bow, don't fuck nobody. Ay, trust in the Father God and walk on your way happy. Ay, trust in the Father God and walk on your way happy. Ay.
Get a youth. Don't bow, don't fuck nobody. Work hard and trust in the Father God and you got it. Just look on him, just listen to the message. You hear me? I say we're there in a fluid time of music. And that was a Movado. You see me? I say? You have Cartel go forward. And to this day, I still one of the toughest intro them.
Tell Smith always send back my money, got me send back the gun. Send back my money, got me send back the gun. Tell the enemy no worry, come now, but I don't them. And to this day, you just sit here, you don't know what I'm talking about?
Eh? Peace to my enemies. I'm not fret right now. Money me I made. Me want $1 million by a man in roof deck. Remember my next line, but no plastic chopper in. Me want to rich. Charge it. Like, this was out of my time, but me can remember hearing it. Seeing and hearing the pain. Hearing the nation, this man putting the nation on him back to convey this message was sound like it could have possibly be a life or death for him in that time of producing the song. When you hear Bounty Killer say, poor people fed up, you could have hear it fed up in a Jah voice. You see me? I just like when Dog say, yo, if me stick you for your things, it's just a survival thing. You hear me? I say, inequality and anger at the system we are fighting to get up, bro. Zine. So what you know now? Them sitting there always at me, you know. The system always fight here, you know. Depression I got always out there, oppression I got always out there. When you hear combative songs towards them the feelings there, when you hear one intro like ooh, and you hear Dada come in and say, you can't get a good man down. Chargy, I'm so solid as a rap, bro. I'm so solid as a rap, bro. You come in like, you remind me of when Berry say, yo, putting up a resistance. The man say, yo, it's like no matter how much I get through in a life, it's like there's an overnight scheme, all design for getting down. But still I'm putting up a resistance, bro. You see me I say? Blow wind blow like on a phone no praise if it rain for fall because no anger work. Because I want to stay home tonight. But we have to show about for family because staying home now make it right. Them their messages where me grew up on. Zine and them they're just couple people in Jamaica. Me not even reach Tupac and My Black. You see me? Because Tupac and My Black are one of my favorite. Tupac. It teach you life survival and empathy. In I get up. You see what I say? And one of my favorite because Vado and Cartel influence. The man them influence them one another. Nas, Jay-Z, them, all of them man, all of them are age group with Cartel Vado. Zine? So I think Killer them and Slick Rick them are age group. Zine? So them hear them one another voice. It's just a different distance. You see me? So they impact each other. So Vado have a song when take quite a amount of line from out of the Tupac and My Black there out of it and put it in a theme song.
That's right. Well, my motherfucker.
It got a nigga shedding tears, reminiscing on my past fears. Cause shit was hectic on me last year. It appears that I've been marked for death. My heartless breath, the underlying cause of my arrest. My life is stressed.
Since last year, things been so hectic for the past year. Drive in a busy past year. My life stress, my life is a mess. The underlying cause of me arrest. My life is stress.
And no rest forever weary. My eyes stay teary for all the brothers that I buried in the cemetery.
No rest forever weary. My eyes stay blurry for my friends and that are buried in the cemetery. It's all good, it's all fine. I ain't giving up on the gully because I know the gully side is mine.
But I ain't giving up on the hood, it's all good when I go back. Oh, show me love, niggas give me props. Forever hot, cause it don't stop on my block.
You see me? Hear them a message from Vado, and this is the song. 2009. Put on the war and the crime. Go breed a girl and get a picnic in mine. Hey, me I left school at 2009. I graduated primary school. That was my message starting high school. I don't really wanna. I don't wanna go to jail no more. Busy make sure tell us who me nah go to jail again. Oh no. You hear me I say to you, Bridget? Seeing, so, you have to know, you have Nas. Nas have one song where say, yo, if I rule the world, bro, you had to be there. You had to be there to really know how powerful that song was. You see me? Because, I tell you, Cartel copied that song. Remember Cartel song where say, imagine, where I say, high grade smoking or something on that without police provoking. Ray. The song there one long time. I think after Teachers Back. The same album that we have Court Case.
Imagine smoking weed in the street without cops harassing.
Imagine smoking without police provoking.
No rubbers, going raw, imagine law with no undercovers. Just some thoughts for the mind.
No HIV, no VD, no gonorrhea, no syphilis, no STD. Yeah. Imagine money. Imagine power.
If I rule the world, imagine that.
The same project that we have Court Case. See? Biggie with Juicy. His song where I say, yo, everybody I say I lie myself, but you used to eat sardine for dinners and you see me I say? The song there. From me I listen to the song there, me I tell myself, say, yo, dog. As a big youth still know me I tell you, and as a juvenile, as a big youth, way before me get my daughter. I tell myself, say, yeah, dog, you see the part that we say, yo, put in 5 carat gold in my baby girl's ear. I'm going to take it to the love and heartbreak section. Because, you don't know? Yeah, bro. I'm going to take it to the part that's in and off it quote, man. Off it. Then song, what me I going to tell you about, and not necessarily my yard ended up playing, because my mother was a single woman. You see what I say? I had no reason to play these songs in reality, because back in my days, you start them song, you play them song, you're starting something. You hear what I say? You start something. One message is being communicated for a little more. You hear what I say to you? I my neighbor them over here, so RIPT come and tell you. Anytime you feel woman a problem charge, and you hear Tigo Jot, and you hear upon his sound, the bad Otis ready in there we go. These arms of mine.
They are lonely, lonely and feeling blue.
They are longing. Your blood can see that, man. Eh? I make you know a man can vulnerable dog, genuine love and longing for certain bridging. Miss Blue know what time it is, bro. If that not work here, charge it touch. When a man loves a woman, I show you total devote dog. Them boy are some little batty boy. I tell you people, them boy are some little batty boy. And I never reach me. Yeah man, charge. When me have a couple boys to men when I have to play. See? But if that now work for charge, I got the old basics, go back to the old basics. I'll make love to you.
Like you want me to, and I'll hold you tight, baby, all through the
Uno not have no patience with no man, first of all. I like what Chevy did say. I just buy when I buy fuck basically. So it's like whenever. See? So no I feel have no patience with woman. Bro, you know what it is. Fee. I text one girl for 2 weeks on Facebook before she decides that she'll come over your yard. See? And even keeping it respectful, no, because we're not hypersexualized texting. You see what I say? Like when I say them look up, see messenger where them a send out, where them a send out in the music, and none of them listen to it. Zine, say texting nice and decent and subtle. You hear me I say? So what you know? 2 weeks you text this catty and this catty decides that yes, she gonna meet up at home. Nobody said nothing about sex, you know. But we are gonna meet up at home. But at them time the same way we had the cartel to say.
From you come on me yard, me don't know where you're free.
You hear me I say? So we know what the code was. You see me I say? Them your boy you not do that. They not have them the patience there. Chargy. You know the Brian McKnight they will say, yo, one, you like a dream come true. Then song they teach real patience. Cause you hear what Chargy said to you, bro. Chargy said, and if ever I think all my how you go? If ever I'm gone done, I start right back at one. I don't know the part that goes still, but I know that I message. You see? So that the girl at the power loop of endless love, because if ever Chargy feel like his work is done, he might go start right back at one. You hear me I say? They come in like a Joe away. You Joe away say, yo, I wanna know. Where I say, yo, I'm the type of man who shows concern.
Yes, I do. Any way that I can please you, let me learn. So I wanna know what turns you on.
Any way of me can please you, let me learn. Remember why I tell the girl them some sitting like them themselves don't even know what them are talking about. They don't understand their own body. Much more for understand one woman body. Much more for tell a woman them how they supposed to feel. You see me I say, bro, me your man there so I tell woman say I'm the prize. What? Yes, a batty boy. Eh? Fuck out of here, wretched. You see me I say? So them youth and no patience. They don't know if you quote them woman. You hear me I say to you? They don't know about selfless love and total devotion to a woman. They don't know about all Brian Adams. Everything I do it for. They don't know about the man there. Where the music video was just black and white for the whole music video.
Everything I do it for you. Look into your heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide.
Please forgive me. Yeah, I say, I know not what I do. Please forgive me. Can't stop loving you. Yo, me can't go to further people. You don't know. But yeah, dog, I'm not jokes and thing. They're not on a berries. But I tell her, say, yo, alright. It gives some nostalgia of dancing and love songs, basically. The berries will say, yo, rock away. Your dog will say, yo, remember the songs used to make us rock away. Those were the days. I know we very sort you know, but any day, any night, any time that song play, you can remember that those really were the days. You hear me I said to you? When next berries, that me ask. Zine, alright, enough people, what do you mean reason this to somebody? The song you dep on the rhythm with other notable love songs. Can't remember them right now, to tell you the truth. But not sure you hear man saying this the man with the anger virgin. A relationship and basically a relationship man a talk same way. Man a try show you respect in a relationship, bro. You hear me I say commitment. You see me I say cause you what Charlie I tell you say yo there are signs in life. You see me I say never you try for this man right have the angle. You hear me I say you know that every Jamaican know that. Don't try this man with the angle when you hold on the blade. You see me I say? A Sanchez really make you know that to a him reiterate that in the brains of youths like me. But for many years people been thinking it's just a reality song. No, I love the man I talk about. This is a relationship under pressure, bro. You know a woman in a relationship and they feel so entitled. These days they call it toxic. That's toxic for real, bro. You feel so entitled. And like Imana say, yo, I me have everything charge it. Why you behave like this? It come like, oh, now make the good door hit ya. Hey, I make the run the musical. Where you go? You say you love me and you sure? Yeah. I just like the line there where the dog say, yo.
Your nails fi do a me, bills fi pay a me, ear fi do a me, and you're making fun of me. And I'm the one with the J.O.B. So baby, why won't you give me some TLC?
You see me? If love so nice. A Junior Kelly. If love so nice, tell me why it hurts so bad. You hear me I say, Virgin? I'm still in love with you. You hear me I say? All of their song that it teach you patience, it teach you connectivity, communication. You see me? It teach you for raw dog. Listen to me. Let me just move on. Cause like me say reggae music might make I guess I get my respect for just people and all my peers and elders. You see me I say mindfulness and my spirituality. Just like Bob them with the redemption song. You see what I say? The little calmness there. The little three little birds. Baby, don't worry. And that's how I get them thing there from. You see what I say? When Garnet Silk say, it's growing. Bro, I felt that. And that me I tell you now. The man I refer to in growth in a spirituality. You see what I say? And that the growth there in a love and spirituality him I talk about. Conscious music, Virgin. Conscious music. Me did actually feel like there was a whole movement when me hear Connects them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Bro, me feel that me I say, yeah. Movements for the Rasta youth. Something man come back in Jamaica. One lane and go up not back in Jamaica. Now then quash that. Then quash that. So me move from Jamaica. Go listen J. Cole, Love Yours. This man said,
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying.
Them and their show you say, dog, as long as the people them love you, or if somebody in your place love you, it don't really matter if you're poor or not, bro. You see me I say, your circumstances, they're not permanent. You hear me I say, you have the power to change that. But don't make that be a factor where you go feel bad about yourself because you have less, or feel too good about yourself because you have more. You see what me I say? Because you go always have less than somebody else if you feel like you have more. And if you feel like you have less, somebody go always have less than you. You see what me I say? The most important thing is to love yours.
Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as the life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing.
You get me? Kendrick Lamar, they have one song with him. Alright, we I think one line in it where the dog say, yo, if I fucked up, if you fucked up, as long as God got us, nigga, we gonna be alright. We gonna be alright, man. Sometimes we just need to hear that in our real life. So, yo, you gotta be alright, man. You see what I say? Remind yourself. So, them things that I tell you about, we have our songs like we teach, as I say, adultery. Lessons in adultery and in a trust. You see me as a couple reality check, betrayal songs where you get from seeing Berries. Because when you hear Berries, I think you might know this, but you still not really know this or notice, you know? Because when Berries said double trouble, I want a serious situation, infidelity and heartbreaking. Yeah, where Berries woman tell him.
Be early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you.
I'll be waiting up for you. I hear what you're saying. Somebody else bed. Now you there, so I try to figure out who you're coming. And if she up.
Wonder if she's awake or asleep. If I know her well, she's somewhere taking a peek.
You could tell her, say, then rob you, because you had a confrontation with Robin Hood.
What will my story be? This one better be good. Should I tell her I had a confrontation with Robin Hood?
And then the style you plan to pull off. Look. So, whether the relationship a built on, but you don't know, you have to smooth with it. It wasn't me. You see me? Them a people do some sin thing now with for them cheating and for them sin thing. They hear Berries that try to do everything. If you could have wash off and wash back your hands at time to go back, you would have go back. Not for not do it, you would have still do it, but you would have just come quick and go yard. Or not drop asleep and go yard. You get what I say? More and for not follow what I say. Don't feel like when you get to an old man, because I show you a video with Tanya about sometime. If a man no ray and this and that, and when you would be in a jacket, you go and go check it. You see what I say? Shirley Brown, they have one song where say woman to woman, where she dey talk about love triangle and honesty in a relationship. You don't think you know easy. Rihanna used to say, yo, I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna take away his life. Unfaithful, that the song the name. And as you touch Unfaithful by Rihanna, we can't pass it without touch Unfaithful by Cartel.
Where you are doing on me outside? Me say, see your woman there, you be outside. Make me put down my clothes and come out himself. You have to live in the ambulance, lad. You should do it, teacher, and my wife, lad. Him start bad, hold on, it's a knife, lad. Me turn to her and say, apologize to the brother, cause him love you and you burn him, me no like that. Me want move and can't move. When me boxers, when me put my shoes.
Me wrong for Ina him house. Jano, what me I gotta do? Yeah, man. Bro, when I hear, like, for one time in my, when me in like grade 9, I think, me used to wonder if Bruno Mars and Adele had gotten together, what would that song be like? Because the world was crying every month with 2 or 3 songs from Bruno Mars and Adele. Easy come, easy go. Rolling in the deep. You see, right now, Adele, Hello is a song where sure, if you listen it, regret and reflection, broken love. You hear me I say? I same thing with someone like you. I've heard that you settled down and you've found if it one of them not follow. Me know me did write it down, man. The Here I Come song with me they are telling about Dennis Brown, man. Zayn and I Garnet Silk. Dennis Brown, because everyone me there say Garnet Silk in here sound to me, you know what I mean? But then tune they show your strength and respect, positivity in a society. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. Alright. Lauren Hill, they have one album, The Miseducation of Lauren Hill. What do you see one video upon it too? But I like to share one at a time. Zin, but she have one song named That Thing. Officially named Dope. You see me? But That Thing. Like should I say? Girls, you better watch out. 'Cause boys, they only wanna one thing, that thing, that thing, that thing. And she said for girls too. She said for boys too. Said girls only want one thing. No, probably 2 different things then, but one thing everybody want. You know what I mean? So, you see them Tupac, keep your head up. We show you how to respect woman and uplift your community. You see me I say? Lauren Hill did that one against Vanity and them sitting the same way with Fierce and that thing. Zane, it's so funny. I never even did plan to do this episode today. But today, you see me can show you. I put a song for my status and this is the song where me write down the song if you tell you now. Go listen to Kanye West Family Business, bro.
Do it, monkey bread on the side, know how the family do it. When I brought it, why the car had to look all through it. As kids, we used to laugh. Who knew that life would move this fast? Who knew I have to look at you through a glass and look? You tell me you ain't did it, then you ain't did it. And if you did, then that's family business.
So me I say, that teach you importance of family and community. No joke. No joke. You see me? No joke. And that's like 30 odd song. As me say, we could have give 1,000, we could have give 1,003, we could have give 1,050. But I give 1,002, but testing 1 3, we not test 2, what about you? That's it basically, people. If you like the episode, like, share, subscribe. If you genuinely like the episode, may have thoughts for doing a breakdown like this with series, cartoons, animes, movies.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say is even harder to find.
From basically 80s to 2010s, where them something them make way. The type of youth that we be right now. You see me I say? And them thing that shape with generation. for we type of celebrity them. Shows like Girl Gone Wild, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, The Nanny, you see me I say. Timmy Turner, same way, Fairly Odd Parents, you know what I mean? Animes like Dragon Ball Z and them something there, you know. We can have the discussion there. Let me know. And we bust it up. Is it? Big up on yourself and stay safe, man. And thank you for listening to me so far. You don't know. Mad boy see me, man, everything up here when I hear them.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality, oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit, he choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.